Hi students, today I want to show you how to correct my story. So you can go here and click on your work, and now you can see your story. It takes a minute to load, and you can see that Julie there's some colors on there. Okay, so I need to make some changes. Now I cannot see the comments here that Julie made, so I can scroll up or down here. This is my up and down bar. And down here, if I go to the bottom, I have a back and forth, right to left. So if I go right to left, I can see the comments, okay? Another thing I can do is I can make my screen smaller. So I can click here on the three dots and see I was up to 175. So I can go down and I can make it smaller so I can see Julie's comments. Okay, so now I see that I've got a comment here, so I start at the top and I can click here and see if there's anything. So every time you see color, just click there. Okay, so now I'm going to go through here and I see the pink. And the box opens up. It says delete 0, so I always read it, the comment, and if I like it, I accept it. Okay, now here I have a pink, and I can click on that and see what Julie's comment was. So it says add were. So I go, my parents were Jim and Gretel Pluck. Okay, so now I can click on the check mark to accept, and if I don't like it, I can reject it. Okay, if I reject it, my Julie's comment isn't there, but I said that I needed to add it. Okay, so now I'm going to have to go through until I see the next one here, and I can see that this one has a squiggly line. So with a squiggly line, just click on it. And it says my own house. Okay, so I have to read the the sentence to see if that makes sense. Should I do my own house? I can accept it. So click on it and just you're going to have to read the sentence to see if it makes sense. Own my own house. Okay, and now I go here and I click here, and it says delete the equal sign. Let me see. I think that makes sense. So I'm going to go over here and click the check mark. Remember, I'm just going to show you if it's too small. Oh no, now I can't see it. So I have to go up and down, and I'm going to have to go right to read what Julie said. Okay, so let's click the check mark and it should disappear. That is my story. Oh, why is there still a check mark? Let's click there and see, did I get everything? Going up and down. I'm going to go to the bottom. Yeah, I think I have all the comments are gone now. Okay, I don't know why that's there. So the last thing you want to do, maybe you want to add your title. So I can just go like this. I can click with my left finger and drag with my right finger. I want to delete all of that. Just press delete. I want to add my title, My Life by Julie. Okay, so I want to click with my left finger down on the touchpad and highlight. I want to center it. So I click here, and I want to underline. Okay, so that is how you can make your story look better.